Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe. Myself Wrinkle Chaklasya and I am the teacher of LP Savaneri.
Today our subject English oral and we are going to revise sound of A to Z. Okay, everyone ready? Let's start. Which is this letter? A. Okay, everyone speak with me. A says A, apple. A says A, apple. Then B says B, ball. B says b, ball. C says c, cat. C says c, cat. D says d, doll. D says d, doll. E says a, elephant. E says a, elephant. F says fan. F says fan. G says goat. G says goat. H says horse. H says horse. I says ice cream. I says ice cream. J says jug. J says jug. K says kangaroo. K says kangaroo. L says lion. L says lion. Speak everyone. M says mango. M says mango. N says no, nest. N says no, nest. O says orange. O says orange. P says parrot. P says parrot. Q says queen. Q says queen. R says rose. R says rose. S says snack. S says snack. T says tree. T says tree. U says umbrella. U says umbrella. V says van. V says van. W says watch. W says watch.
X says X. X, X, Xmas tree. X says X. X, X, Xmas tree. Y says Y. Y, Y, yak. Y says Y. Y, Y, yak. Then last, Z says Z. Z, Z, zebra. Z says Z. Z, Z, zebra. Now you all understand which is the sound of alphabet? Okay. Now we are going to revise 2-letter words. Okay, let's start. Everyone speak with me. AD, add. AD, add. AG, egg. AG, egg. ANN, ANN. AP, app. AP, app. AT, at. AT, at. IN, in. IN, in. IT, eat. IT, eat. IB, ib. IB, ib. IG, ig. IG, ig. IP, ip. IP, ip. OT, ot. OT, ot. OX, ox. OX, ox. OD, odd. OD, odd. OG, og. OG, og. OP, op. OP, op. ED, add. ED, add. ENN, ENN. EG, egg. EG, egg. ET, at. ET, at. ELL, L. ELL, L. UN, on. UN, on. UB, up. UB, up. UT, at. UT, at. UG, ug. UG, ug. UM, Now you all understand?